Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this super handy barbecue prep tub. It actually collapses, and it's got so many different purposes. I mean, really small in design. The bottom of it does have little non-slip grips, so that way whenever you have it down, it's not gonna slide all over it. And as you can see on the side, you actually have little locking mechanisms to be able to take off the lid. So the lid then comes off, and you are then left with this nice surface that's actually used for like a cutting board. So if you did have things like you wanted to take an apple and then cut up your apples, you can easily cut everything up, and then it is sitting in there. Use it for meats, whatever you want to do. But the really neat thing is it actually opens up into this huge tub that you can use for so many different things. Whether you wanted to put drinks in here, you wanted to maybe wash up some apples, get things ready for any sort of barbecue. You've got all of it just sitting right in here. Nice handles that have little grippers on the sides even to be able to put it all on here. And then if you just wanted to store it, you can just put the lid back on, snap it back in place, and you are ready to go. So this is a really nice 3-in-1 barbecue prep tub that can be used for all sorts of different things. Whether you're wanting to store things, carry things, and when you're done, simply collapse it back down, and you are ready to store it for next time.